Welcome to this edition of What's New with CBT Nuggets. We've got a lot of new content, so let's check it out. First up, James Conrad and Bob Salmons bring us CompTIA A+ Core 2 training. Perfect if you're starting your career in IT and looking for a way to qualify for entry-level positions. With this training, you'll learn how to install and configure Windows and Mac OS features, troubleshoot malware and mobile device issues, use Microsoft command line tools for diagnostics, perform basic scripting and automation tasks, and more. This course is ideal for newcomers to IT or for career changers, self-taught learners, or students who want a practical, credentialed path into the field. Next, learn to deploy, configure, and optimize Fortinet enterprise firewalls at scale with Keith Barker's Fortinet NSE 7 Enterprise Firewall 7.6 Administrator Training. You'll practice configuring HA clusters, deploying OSPF and BGP, building VPNs, and using FortiManager and FortiAnalyzer for central management. This course is one part of preparing you for the core certification exam, but you'll also have to take at least one elective exam before you earn the FCSS in network security. Completing this course opens doors to roles like Firewall Administrator, Network Security Engineer, Enterprise Systems Administrator, or SOC Engineer. For those already in IT, it's a strong differentiator when pursuing senior level positions. And finally, it's ISC2 CISSP certification training with Bob Salmons. Learn governance frameworks, secure design principles, and incident response while sharpening risk analysis, policy writing, and business continuity planning. Design zero-trust network architectures, conduct threat modeling, integrate secure coding into DevSecOps pipelines, and more. This training is built for mid-career security professionals aiming for senior information security positions. Security engineers, architects, and IT managers with 5 or more years of experience will gain the advanced technical and managerial expertise needed to design, implement, and manage an organization's overall security posture.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you're interested in IT career or learning more about IT in general, hey, swing by cbtnuggets.com and sign up for a free trial.